For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@excelhomeworkhelp.com or reach us at www.excelhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 1. Descriptive statistics. During the manufacture of links in a chain, they are sampled at random and the tensile strength measured. Characterize the set of 12 maximum load values given below by plotting or computing the following descriptive statistics. Histogram sample cumulative distribution function, CDF, sample mean sample standard deviation sample median. 6.23.85.04.8, 3.96.44.25.55.24.0. Use the sample CDF to estimate the probability of a link having a tensile strength less than or equal to 4. Solution. Histogram. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Mean equals 4.8. Standard deviation equals 0.96. Median equals 4.9. excelhomeworkhelp.com. P, strength equals 4, equals 4/12 equals 0.33. Problem 2, combinations and virtual experiments. A geologic formation consists of 9 layers, 4 shale, 3 sandstone, and 2 limestone. We presume that these layers were laid down at random. Now suppose that we drill a borehole through the top 3 layers. What is the probability that these sampled layers are all shale? If you were to write a MATLAB program that estimates the probability that the top 3 layers are shale using a Monte Carlo technique, how would you do it? Describe in both words and code the steps you would take and the logical order of the program. Write a pseudocode. You will not lose points for small syntax errors, but the steps should be thoroughly explained and correct. Solution. Analytically, P, top 3 shale, equals 4/9, 3/8, 2/7 equals 0.0476. In MATLAB, NREP equals 10,000, count equals 0. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Percent 9 layers, 1 to 4 equals shale, 5-7 equals sandstone, 8-9 equals limestone. Percent create a for loop that goes from 1 to the number of percent repetitions. Create a rep x9 matrix formation of the percent 9 different layers in each rep using the randperm function percent in MATLAB. Randperm 9 randomly arranges the integers 1 to 9, percent returning a 1 by 9 vector. For I equals 1 rep formation, I equals randperm 9, percent create an if statement that counts the number of percent times the top 3 layers are shale, i.e. how many times percent are the first 3 numbers in each row of formation less percent than 5? Each time this occurs, add 1 to the count. If formation I1, 5 formation I2, 5 and formation I3, 5 count equals count plus 1 end. Percent calculate the probability as the final count divided by percent the total number of replicates. P equals count/nrep. excelhomeworkhelp.com. Problem 3, Conditional Probability and Bayes Theorem. There are 3 lakes, A, B, and C, in a city and their water is used as water supply. Lake C is located very far from the city, and transporting water to the city is expensive, but the environment there is clean. Lakes A and B are more likely to be polluted. Water from any one lake is adequate to meet the demand of the city. Every day, a test is conducted for each lake, and if the lake is found to be polluted, the water in that lake cannot be used for the water supply. We know from past record that Lake A is unpolluted with a probability 0.3, Lake B is unpolluted with probability 0.2, and Lake C unpolluted with probability 0.8. We also know that if Lake A is polluted, the probability that Lake B is unpolluted is 0.1. If Lakes A and B are both polluted, the probability that Lake C is unpolluted is 0.8. A. What is the probability that we cannot get unpolluted water from Lake A or B? excelhomeworkhelp.com. PAB equals PBA asterisk PAPBA equals 1 PBA equals 0.9 PAB sad face 0.9 0.7 equals 0.63. B. What is the probability that the city can get unpolluted water? P ABUC equals 1 P ABC PABC equals P CAB asterisk PAB PCAB equals 1 P CAB equals 1-0.8 equals 0.2 from above PAB equals 0.63. P ABUC equals 1-0.2 0.6 equals 0.87. Problem 4. Binomial distribution, the probability that a concrete cylinder has a crushing strength below the specified minimum is 0.2. The cylinders come in shipments of 6. What is the mean number of cylinders per shipment that are below the minimum? Solution. excelhomeworkhelp.com. For the binomial distribution, x equals np. x equals 6.2 equals 1.2. Problem 5. Probability distributions. Streamflow in a particular river on a given day is approximately an exponentially distributed random variable. Its PDF is given by f streamflow equals 5e minus 5 times x greater than or equal to 0 equals 0. Otherwise, calculate the mean streamflow in this river. Solution. Mean equals xf x dx equals 5xe 5x dx equals 1/5. excelhomeworkhelp.com.